Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You all, I really hope you guys are fine and doing good. So today is 2nd of March and time right now is 10 a.m. I woke up at around 8 a.m. and then I did the post-production work of the video. Basically making the thumbnail and putting the description and everything, and right now I'm gonna get into studying. And also I filled the NEET form today, so yeah, that's also done. That was like there on my head, but that's done now. And I need to study because tomorrow is AIATS and I'm skipping classes today because today I have two classes of biology, like one of zoology and botany, and I didn't want to attend those classes, so I took off. And now I'm gonna prepare for AIATS. And about the preparation level of AIATS, I think it's fine because I've already given two tests on the same syllabus, so I'm like, okay, it will be okay. But talking about organic, I prepared so much for the organic in the FT, and guess how much I got? I got just 141, and I was so upset about that. But then I thought, I just revised it once, so it was difficult for me to recall a lot of things. So yeah, I was a little confused. Like, by looking at the question, I was like, I've seen this, but I don't know what's the right answer for it. But anyways, now I'm gonna revise these things and we'll give the test tomorrow. So once again, I've wrote down all the chapters which are coming in AIATS, and we're gonna finish off all of them one by one. And I'm gonna start with biology because right now I'm at my home, so I can speak loud and I can revise it while speaking loud or explaining it to myself. So I will start with human reproduction. So let's start. Let's turn on our timer as well.
1,40,000 से ज्यादा बच्चों को अपने ड्रीम मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के लिए तैयार कराने के बाद पीडब्ल्यू विद्यापीठ एंड पाठशाला इस साल लेकर आ रहे हैं और भी बहुत कुछ खास न्यू सेंटर्स, बेस्ट फैकल्टीज एंड मच मोर। और सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है उनका विश्वास दिवस ऑफर। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि पीडब्ल्यू विद्यापीठ सेंटर्स में आपको मिलता क्या क्या है। तो यहाँ के सारे सेंटर्स के क्लासरूम में सबसे एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ मॉडर्न एमिनिटीज होंगे। देश भर के टॉप नॉच फैकल्टी टीम तैयार की गई है आपको बेस्ट एजुकेशन एंड गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए। आपकी हर क्वेरी और कंफ्यूजन के लिए 24/7 डाउट सपोर्ट अवेलेबल है। अगर आप कोई क्लास मिस कर देते हैं तो उसका रिकॉर्डेड क्लास का एक्सेस भी आपको मिलेगा। एक्सपीरियंस टीचर के साथ साथ आपको मिलेगा मोस्ट अपडेटेड स्टडी मटेरियल विच इज क्यूरेटेड बाय स्टार एजुकेटर्स ऑफ पीडब्ल्यू, एंड यू विल गेट DPPs एंड इट्स वीडियो सोल्यूशन, एंड यू विल हैव 8 hours of daily in-person doubt support window. Regular tests will be held with comparison and AITS with detailed analysis, and all PW Vidyapeeths have tech-enabled classroom with smart boards and recording facilities. Admissions open है क्लास 8 से लेके क्लास 12 तक, एंड ड्रॉपर्स के लिए भी आज ही ज्वाइन करें और पाएं 30% ऑफ, क्योंकि अभी विश्वास दिवस ऑफर चल रहा है। सीट्स आर फिलिंग वेरी फास्ट। सिर्फ 500 रुपीज में आप अपनी सीट बुक करा सकते हैं। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर आप बैच डिटेल्स चेक कर सकते हैं, और अगर आपको काउंसलिंग टीम से बात करनी है तो स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पे आप कॉल कर सकते हैं।
So finally done with this human reproduction chapter, and it took me 1 hour and 21 minutes to complete it. So let's cut this off from our list. Now I'm going to take a break in which I'm gonna take shower and have my breakfast and everything, and then I will come back to the studies. Time right now is 1:09 and I am back on my desk, and now I'm going to start with sexual reproduction in flowering plant. तो सबसे पहले मैं इसके लिए ये वाला बायोहैक के नोट्स वाला वीडियो देखूंगी, सो दैट आई कैन नो कि किस पार्ट में मैं लैग कर रही हूँ, तो मैं उसी पार्ट पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा फोकस कर सकूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पहले से लग रहा है कि मुझे सब आता है इसमें, बट मार्क्स तो इतने नहीं आए थे, तो इसलिए रिवाइज तो करना ही है। तो इससे पहले ये देखती हूँ, फिर रिवाइज करती हूँ। Time right now is 6:36 and I haven't even completed revision of this. Before you ask me where were you, so at the time I was revising this, I got a call from my dad and I started to talk to him. Then I had my lunch, and then I just kind of wasted my time, and then I slept for a lot of time, and now I wake up at around 6:30 and now I'm again on my desk to start studying. I think I need to pull an all-nighter because I have so much to do and like literally so less time, and I've slept in the daytime, so I think I can easily pull it off. So yeah, we're gonna start with this revision. I'm still going to read its NCERT at once, like very quick, so let's do that first of all. I was watching the study vlog to keep myself motivated and get into studying. So I'm going to start this study session, and I've played this study with me video, and you can check out the channel if you want to. This is Rayhon. and after that I'm going to play a study playlist. And a lot of you guys keep on asking me, would you listen on your headphone when you are studying? So it's mostly my study playlist. I have a lot of them. These all are not mine. I just randomly search for study playlist on Spotify and I get a lot of them. This is just the one which is mine, and some of them are lyrical, some of them are not. So this one is my favorite. It is lyrical, but it's really good. Like, the lyrics are not something which disturbs me from my studying, but it is something which keeps me studying. I don't know how to explain it, but if I put this music on, I feel like, okay, we are now studying. So yeah, if you want, you can also check it out, but not everyone can study with the music, so do it however you like it. Anyways, let's start our study session. Finally done with this chapter as well. Let's cut this off. So now I'm going to start with this electric charges and field revision. So अभी मैं फिजिक्स के एक चैप्टर अपने शॉर्ट नोट से रिवाइज करते जाऊंगी. तो सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस एंड फील्ड से स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड फाइनली टाइमर भी चालू कर देते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So now I am done with revising electric charges and field, and it took me 23 minutes to revise it. Now let's cut this off from our list. Now I'm gonna do electric potential and capacitance. Even done with revising this electric potential and capacitance, and it took me 30 minutes to revise this. Let's cut this off from our list. Now I will revise this current electricity, but before revising this I'm gonna have my dinner and then I'll come back to this. Time right now is 10:08 and I'm back on my desk, and now I'm going to start revising current electricity. And yeah, let's start. So now I'm finally done with this current electricity revision, and it took me 40 minutes to revise it. So let's cut this off from our list. And now I'm going to start with the chemistry, the part from which I was running. Let's face it, I'll start with hydrocarbons. After revising hydrocarbon, I revised haloalkanes and haloarenes, and after that I revised alcohol, phenol, ether. And I was unable to revise this carboxylic acid wala chapter. I just revised these three, and I didn't even read their NCERT because I didn't had time. I just revised these from my short notes, so basically like the main reactions. And the next day I woke up and I did a little bit revision of reproductive health, and that's it. I just went to give the test, and test was from 10 a.m. till 1:20 p.m. and then I had extra classes. So first class was of physics and then 2 classes of zoology. So finally done with AIATS. Don't look at these codes, these are not the real one. Basically I actually checked it when I got the provisional answer key, but these are not the real one. Anyways, I was telling about the papers. So this time I found that botany paper was a little difficult and was on a tricky side, and it took me a lot of time to complete it. And zoology on the other side, I found it pretty easy and I was able to do it pretty well on time. And after wasting so much of time on botany, my only aim was to like close time and complete the paper, because earlier I had experiences when I was unable to complete my AIATS paper. And while doing physics also, I found few questions tricky, and some of which I left also, but some of which I did, which ultimately got wrong. I did quite a lot of silly mistakes as well. Before I'll show you the mistakes and all, I'm gonna show you the result. So this is the result. I got 607 marks, and you can see the individual scores. In physics it is 150, 131 in chemistry, 155 in botany, and 171 in zoology. So in physics particularly I did a little bit of silly mistakes. So this question was the wrong. I need to check this. For example, this question was a pretty straightforward question, but still I made mistake in it. I marked it infinity, but it was supposed to be 0. And like that only I made a little bit more silly mistakes in physics because I was like very less on time, but nevertheless it was fine. I guess we're gonna improve in the next test. So that is it about this particular test. Do let me know how was your score, and I'll see you with a new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.